Okay, yeah, I know. I'm familiar with this layout, open layout. So this is the lowest price one. I believe that's eight 895. What I say? Yeah. So this is the very lowest one without furniture. That's also with the oven.
Okay.
So all of these we have negotiated to have to install the oven.
With no extra charge.
Yeah, that's included in the.
Oh,
We've
wow.
negotiated that already. So
Wow.
yeah.
That's really good. I mean, the thing is,
Yeah.
you wouldn't need to overwhelm this with too much furniture.
Right.
Like a couch.
True, exactly. Oh, nice LED light there.
Oh, nice.
Cool. I like the black splash too, that gray instead of the green.
Yeah, and I like the
tint.
subtle accent lights.
Yeah. It's just
That's
also
what I'm
ticker.
missing. Again, I know I'm in the Airbnb, but I'm missing just sort of having a little bit of ambient light, just when
right.
everything else is off.
Yeah, that's a mood, kind of mood. Yeah.
Because we were talking as well, these ones can be changed to sort of like the color temperature.
That's right. If they're not there already.
Right.
Yeah, no, they're not. But yeah, they can be changed. There's a Panasonic ones that we use a lot, and it's just changed to 3, color tones.
Yes, you can change
from 33 to 55.
This is beautiful.
This is cool. It's cool. And also in this complex, the wood floors is kind of standard in every apartment.
And they're not warped.
It's part of the right. They're not warped. Yeah.
They're nice to walk on.
Yeah. I forgot the name of them. I forgot the name of this type.
It smells so nice in here.
Yeah.
Fresh sugar paint or something.
I know it kind of does, right? Blackout curtains. Got the sheer. Same view.
Yeah, that's nice. It's got the sheer curtain, so it's got the privacy.
Right.
Yeah.
This could be a nice office. I mean, great space to work with the windows there. Set up a nice desk in the middle. Decent amount of outlets. TV hookup there.
See, where I'm doing a lot of podcasting and stuff like this, it's going to be nice because it's nestled away from the exterior walls, or the interior walls.
That's true, right?
So I'm not going to get the noise. And
no
I'm
noise.
Give them the noise.
Yeah, absolutely. You can record in peace.
Exactly.
And a little bit echo, but you can do a little sound conditioning.
Yeah, I think,
Yeah, you can do.
Probably put the sound dampening curtains or something on the wall or the tiles or something like that.
Maybe on the floor as well, like a carpet.
Yeah, I think you can get like the tiles, like they're just.
Oh yeah, there are tiles. Yeah,
tiles.
Those are cheap as heck too on Lazada. Yeah, they're like $1 each or something like that.
Nice, right?
This is cool. Okay, this is the primary, also with a soaking bathtub. Okay, and rainfall shower head. Those are kind of standard. Cool. LEDs in the closet. Really cool. These air cons also a standard in these apartments here. All of the units have they're from the developer. Yeah, digital inverter, so you're gonna save a lot on your electric.
I've watched enough of your videos.
Yeah. Right, yes, I do mention that a lot.
Wow, what is this down here? Is this like a treatment facility or so?
Yeah, that is that's still under construction. This used to be like some type of event space.
Okay.
And I don't know, I think it belongs to the government.
Right.
Because it was there before they built this complex, and for whatever reason they haven't moved it.
Is there any, obviously there's risk here, you never know when they're going to.
That's a park. That's open to the public. So people walk around there and walk their dogs and stuff.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh no, I thought that was like crazy golf. It's like it's sprinklers.
Yep. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's the one. That's the building that's detached.
Right.
The H. And
Do you know if there's any plans to sort of develop this, or would that be?
I don't know actually. I think they will eventually. Yeah. But it's kind of slow.
Yeah.
I think what happened, it was part of the thing was, I think it was during COVID time.
Right.
And just the whole project. Yeah. And then
I love the way you can see the bridge and the river.
Oh yeah. Go for me. That's the District 7 bridge into District 2.
You stand here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and you got a little bit of a river view action going on. It's a nice. And that's the penthouses here. All of those are the penthouses.
Well, how long are they? Are they double story?
Yeah. 2-level, and there's a rooftop access to most of them, I think, except on all of them actually.
Yeah.
I can see
and
that
how
one
much
smaller.
is this unit?
So this is the 895.
Wow.
Right. Yeah.
Wow.
This is the lowest one that we're seeing.
That's
seeing here.
Great for that price.
Yeah, yeah. So you save a lot of money with District 7.
Yeah.
You come to District 7, you can save a really lot of money.
Like, yeah, I need to furnish, but at the same time,
Yeah.
you're gonna be spending what, probably $1,000 or something. Yeah,
and
and
on
that's
some
just a
pieces.
one-time payment.
Washer and dryer is included here as well.
So is that
Yeah.
a combined washer dryer that will be in there? Or
Yeah.
Is that 2 unit?
I think it'll be a combination
Sure.
to say, yeah. I think that's what they'll do most likely.
But this saves
Okay.
costs as well. I love the fact that
Right.
it's got the privacy.
Yeah, and these are expensive. Curtains are expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because they,
they charge a bit for curtains
I
here.
mean, this is the thing. It's like when you've got these across
Yeah.
like that, you're not blocking out any of the light, but you just
Right.
want that extra privacy.
Yes,
Yeah.
especially for this unit where you have some
Yeah,
neighbors
right, so-
here. Yeah.
Is this what the windows are like? Sort of.
Yep, with the tint, yep.
So
Mhm.
this is what technically you would see if you were looking at it from that side.
True.
Yeah.
True. Good point. Right.
Yeah.
So there is a little bit of privacy too. You're
Yeah.
not necessarily seeing inside
Sure.
unless there's a TV or a light on.
I would say probably at night it'll be a bit different. But you don't
Right.
have the light shut anyway.
Right.
I'm impressed with this.
Yeah.
Do we know it would be interesting to see
Mm-hmm.
how far the watering English is from here? See where the nearest.
Google Map. Get out to the balcony. Oh, feels great. Cool after rain air.
I love the kitchen as well. I love because we were talking about like you know,
Yeah.
around you can entertain. It's not. partition.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. You could technically get an island here too.
Yeah. Oh, that
Like a
would be-
custom built one, like right here.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, like even these 2 squares
Yeah.
would be sufficient.
Or even just something,
Just-
just a unit on rollers or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, one of those custom built rollers and have another
Can you imagine?
kind of bar. Yeah,
This is impressive.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a really good gem. I do like Eco Green. It's one. Yeah,
Yeah, and this is the thing. It's like for me, as long as this space is my sanctuary and everything is done,
hmm
I can compromise on a lot of things. But you were saying there's still amenities here and things like this. So it's
exactly.
as long as my little nest is
Right. Yeah. Right.
View with the
It
rain
is.
And,
I know, right? It's really cool.
and the thing is you're not
This is
seeing
miss-
developments happening here because you've got all the
Heck no.
houses. that-
Exactly. No, not anytime soon. Not for many years.
See a huge road over there? That's like an abnormally huge road.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like
Why
that
is
one.
it so wide?
Yeah, that is interesting though.
It's like the one as you come out of the tunnel going onto District 2.
Yeah.
from District, it's like huge big boulevard.
I wonder what road that is. Really? That's District 7.
Now, has this got. This doesn't have the water outlet.
No,
Yeah.
it doesn't.
Not
Right.
into the world.
Yeah.
And no power either.
Right. Some, yeah. Some have,
Like plants or like a water treatment.
yeah, or rent, yeah. Outdoor shower,
Yes.
things like that. Spray your guests when they
Everyone out there.
Yeah.
But you know, I was just so you were saying that this will come with both the oven and
Yep.
no extra cost,
Right.
and a combined washer dryer.
And a washer dryer. Yep. That's
I
right.
mean, what's nice as well is the fact
Yeah.
that there's,
All the hookups are there.
there's room out here as well that you could just do air drying if need be.
That's true. Yeah. There's
So
no
where would it-
racks. Looks like they took them. They
Yeah.
were. They were there.
Bolts.
Yeah. The bolts were there. So there was one, but you can buy. They're cheap.
Right.
They're super cheap.
Or you can just hang it off the, just
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
here, that's what I'm doing.
Right.
So where would it go?
Yes.
It would go. The washer dryer would go here, and
Right. Here. Yep. And that's your out. The outlet to go out. Yep.
Yeah.
Just the water in. Power. Super. Yes. It's no room really for stacking. So that's
and it's
that-
not hot in here with this even.
It's not, and also they installed this. This is kind of new. A lot of users don't have this, but
Oh, it's just
it points,
directional.
it directs the air to go outside.
It's a
And
big unit.
yeah, it is. It really is. Though this is a full multi-unit.
Right.
I think it's for all of them. Yeah, this will be for all 4 air
Yeah.
cons.
Yeah, some of the
Yeah. Yeah.
See, the thing is what I was saying as well, it's
Some piping there too.
some fans.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, the aircon's great.
True.
It dries out so much.
Yeah.
But the fans are
Getting
nice.
fans. Yeah.
You can get like quiet ones, just room fans, and as
Absolutely.
well, you don't have to cool the whole unit down. You can just
Right.
get the breeze going through.
Yeah. Oh man, fans in Saigon is awesome. Especially high floor. You have the window open.
I was going to say, having the balcony and
Yeah.
all that open, there's a nice breeze coming in.
Yeah.
And so, how is this intercom thing work? So I
Yeah.
know that all the ones in Saigon Royal,
Right.
I don't think they work. Maybe they're switched off for the Airbnbs. And
They
things
could
like
have been
this.
under some
But what
root
do you
direction.
do?
But this is to allow you guys to enter the apartment, or if they're downstairs. They basically, you can see when they're downstairs, and you can say, "Hey, okay, I'm gonna open the door for you to come into the elevator access."
Oh, so
Right,
I'd
but
be
you
lazy and not
still,
even have to go there.
you still have to go down
Oh,
because they don't have the key, the elevator key.
oh,
This
okay.
particular, so the fancier buildings,
Yeah.
you can buzz up the elevator for your
Right.
guests.
Right.
They're not so fancy. You have to go get your guests, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
But you can allow them in through the parking
You can
garage. And
see
these are
the
cameras.
cameras?
Yeah. Why is it not touching though? Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Is it? Okay. Okay, it's buttons. There's no touch screen. Sorry.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, no touch screen.
so when I'm
Forced
bored,
to
I
have
can
it.
just monitor the camera.
Right. Okay, interesting. All right. Yeah, you're bored.
So
you can look at the cameras.
You can talk over the
Absolutely.
intercom with them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. One more. Okay, now we go back down. Okay.